Guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Seher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am barefaced, but not for long. We are going to be glamming ourselves up, and the brand in question is Kiro Beauty. I have not tried their products until recently. I have done my skin prep, I have applied the primer. So the first product that we are going to be trying out is this particular one. This is Kiro Beauty's Daily Dewy Serum Foundation. This is my absolute favorite. I have recommended in my recent Nykaa sale recommendation video as well. I absolutely love it. I don't know if I have made a full dedicated video on this or not, but nevertheless, since I'm talking about some other products from this brand, I thought might as well give a shout out to this product which started it all, so which got me to try more products from this particular brand. अभी product को use करते हैं, तो I like to go in with a brush like this for the foundation. ये मैंने Amazon से खरीदा था and sadly half of the product leaked when it came from Amazon, and I have very less left and I am about to restock this. It comes in just like that, so I don't know what to do about it, but any which ways I am applying this on my face. Definitely be restocking it once this one is over, which is almost any time soon now. I don't know if I've already told all of these things to you guys, but hey, we're here, so might as well, right? So now we will divulge into everything else that we bought on a much later date, which is like 15 days back, and this box has been sitting on top of my desk and is calling out my name. All of the products that they have are much into the mid-segment drugstore category. They are well priced, about 800 rupees. These are all the products. I got 4 products, and one product I opened and checked because mere se raha nahi gaya. Both the lip products have orange kind of a packaging, and the face products have similar kind of packaging. So the packaging throughout is the same, and it's a very nice unique packaging. Does not feel cheap whatsoever. These products are really famous. A lot of content creators do talk about it, and I have some people in my friend circle also rave about their product. So I was like, why am I not on that train? Wonder Wand multi stick, I got it in the shade Apricot Crush, and the price of this is 850 rupees. And then I got Afterglow Lip and Cheek Tint, again in the price of 800 rupees, and I got it in the shade Beach Peach. And the Super Butter Lip Lacquer, I got it in the shade Stone Lily for 875 rupees. And the Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Peachy Nude for 875 rupees. As I told you, almost all of their products are above 800, and I remember the foundation was for 899 rupees, I think. So all of them are similarly priced. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि since I have two cheek products, I will use one on each cheek, and two lip product, maybe I will show one after the other. So let's see. We will start off with Wonder Wand Multi Stick. This has got rosehip oil plus moringa oil plus avocado oil. The claims of this particular product is that it will give natural flush, and it is an on-the-go product. It will give you a monochromatic, airy, light, velvety, soft, super blendable look. So this is the claims, and matching to the outer packaging is the product with the inner packaging, and you open it up just like this. You get a safety applicator. All you've got to do is push it up just like that, and it pops off. And this is the shade. It's a very beautiful shade, and I got it in the shade Apricot Crush. Again, I didn't have a color like this in my vanity, and the first application, it was very velvety, soft, very beautiful. Really like the color. I will apply this on this particular cheek just like that. Will use my brush to blend it. Wow, this is a beautiful, like really beautiful shade, you guys. They have 3 shades in total, if I'm not wrong. It's not moving my foundation. Although there is a little bit of foundation first impressions, I've actually loved it. I not gonna hype this up. I'm gonna give it as it is. I'm gonna judge it on the base of price, on the base of quality, and the base of color, the application, and the long lasting power of it. And first impression, superb. I really like it. The color is very beautiful. Unlike all other India brands making the colors super dark, this one is not that. And the color is not light as well, that it won't suit the medium and dark skin tones as well. Even beginners can use this product. It's that easy to apply. So since this is a multi stick, right, that's what they have told, that this is a multi stick. मैं इसको अपने eyes पे भी लगाऊंगी since I have nothing on my eyes. Let's do that. Let's take a nice giant fluffy brush and apply it on the lips. I'm just taking it like this and applying it on the eyes and giving it a tiny bit of flush of color. It will look very natural, so I'm thinking that this is going to be really good for those people who are going to office, and even for college going students, because it's not in your face there. It's just giving a tiny bit of color, which is just enough to look presentable. This cheek looks nice and juicy. The next one that I will be trying is this particular one. This is the Kiro's Afterglow Lip and Cheek Tint. Now it's got hyaluronic acid, rosehip oil, cranberry seed oil. How many grams of quantity are you getting? You're getting 5 grams of quantity in this. As I told you, I've got it in the shade Beach Peach, and this is how the shade looks like. Looks very bright, similar packaging, very beautiful. I went in for colors that I did not necessarily have in my vanity, so that I could have a much versatile collection. So this is the doe foot applicator. You're getting a quite chunky applicator at that, and I'm gonna apply just one dot, and we'll take a cleaner brush, apply it. Even though this looks like scary AF, this is not that scary. It blends in, gives a enough color on the face, and is super dewy. It's super dewy. This is so good for drier skin tones. They will absolutely love this product. This is on the pinkier side, and this is proper peach shade. And again, the colors that they have chosen are super unique to other brands that I am seeing. I'm applying just one more dot and seeing how much of a pigment I can get out of this, whether this is buildable and whether it is moving my foundation or not. Yeah, it is super blendable. One dot is enough if you're looking for a very natural flush, and just for a daily basis where you don't want to look like a clown. If you're doing like a full beat glam, then you can add another drop and properly do makeup, then this will look really nice. But yeah, 2 drops is too much for a day-to-day basis, that much I can tell you. And it gets blended very easily. Once it gets blended, it stays there, it's not moving. Can you see? It's not moving. It's settled. Let's see if this will transfer. Yeah, even this is not transferring. Nope, it's not transferring. Really pretty. I actually really like it. So did I just find myself a replacement for pack? Let's see how long this lasts and how beautiful this will look over the period of time. This I will prefer for day-to-day basis. Okay, this I will prefer for more like those function days and everything. Now coming to these two products, the one is Super Butter Lip Lacquer with Murmuru and Kupakao Butter, and I've got it in the shade Stone Lily. This has been in my wish list for the longest time, and yeah, what I'm seeing from Kiro Beauty is that all of their products are skin care infused. Really a good thing. And this is how the lip lacquer looks like. There the cap on this is textured, so literally you can feel the texture. I didn't swatch this on the back of my hand, right? Let me just swatch it and blend it out. So this is the shade Peach. So see the tiny amount is really good for an everyday basis. But if you build it up, then you will look like this. Lip lacquer, which is the shade Stone Lily. Let us do it over here. So this is Stone Lily for you guys. It's a very beautiful mauve shade, mauvey pink shade. And if you guys know me, you know how much I love my mauves and my mauvish nudes. Lip lacquers are basically lip glosses. If they married a bullet lipstick and came in a liquid form, then this is how lip lacquers can be defined. And the next shade that I bought is a peachy nude shade. This is a liquid lipstick. I do have 2 3 others that are in my wish list for quite some time. If only this one came out. Okay, this came out. So this is how the shade peachy nude looks like. Let me just swatch it over here. Oh wow, that's a very beautiful peachy nude. So, wow, that is like so effortless, so lightweight. So let's do the lip lacquer first, and then I will do liquid lipstick. This is a beautiful shade. Now tell me you also agree that this is a very beautiful shade, right? So good. I know this is clashing because this is obviously peach and this is pink, right? It's cool tone, it's warm tone, it's clashing. So that's why I decided to go in with this one first so that we can go in with the right shade in the end. If you just close me up and just see the lips, don't you agree that this is a beautiful shade? Very comfortable, not sticky, giving the right amount of shine on the lips, yet the right amount of pigment on the lips. It's a very good one. I have to tell you that. It's a beautiful one. Mm, 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 mm. So let us apply Peachy Nude. So this is a liquid lipstick, okay? Oh, this has to be such a beautiful nude. My heart. And the fragrance in this is so good. It is very nostalgic. I don't know where I have smelled this. This is very nostalgic. One swipe pigmentation, very beautiful. And if I go in with a little darker lip liner, oh my god, this is gonna be heaven. And अभी मैंने इसको compact powder से set नहीं करा है. I just wanted to see कि ये कितना long last करेगा without setting it with any compact powder. Now my final thoughts on the product. This particular stick has to be my most favorite one because generally जो मैं stick blushes use करती हूँ, they are either very waxy or either very creamy, not very lightweight. Sometimes they can feel very heavy on the face, but this one definitely isn't like that. Very smooth application of this particular product, very lightweight, and this is something that I will use a lot for my day-to-day basis. That is something. And this one really good, the formula is really good, and I might use it on the days when I want a proper festive look. It's not a bad product, but comparing the two of these, I actually prefer this one for some reason over this one, which is very rare because I love me a liquid blush over a cream blush. So that's a rare. This one, however, on the eyes, as you can see, is creasing quite a bit. So you need to kind of set it with a powder because I have greasy eyelids. Now if you have normal eyelids or dry eyelids, this will work out just fine for you guys, but just because I have a little bit of greasy eyelids, then it is obviously moving around a little bit over there. Coming to the lipstick, it's dry, doesn't transform, it's very lightweight on the lips. I'm not feeling it on the lips, and it's a very comfortable formula. The shade, however, I will use it with a lip liner, and the shade does oxidize a tiny bit is what I felt. I am not used to this lipstick color on my lips, so it's feeling a little bit weird to see me in this color. But not that it's a bad shade, it's just that I need to get used to this color and probably use a little bit of a brown lip liner to make it look even more awesome. The formula is very light and I generally do not like liquid lipsticks, but this one I am liking it. It's not making my lips look very dry. Yeah, the formula is little bit sticky, but that goes to say that this lipstick will definitely last for a very long time. It's just the smidge sticky from my base and from my blush. It's looking flawless, and this one however is my most favorite. I love both the formulas, I absolutely love, don't get me wrong, and for what you're paying, you are paying worth your money. But since I am a little biased towards products like these, so I'm just leaning towards that. And कि चारों products बहुत अच्छे हैं. It depends on what you need, for what occasion you need. I am not at all surprised right now कि इतने अच्छे क्यों हैं, and ये कभी stock में क्यों नहीं रहते हैं. Why are they always out of stock? Now I know that because they're super, like they are super. I highly recommend all of these products. I did not find a flaw in any of those. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if it was, then please do make sure that you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification button, like and share and comment on this video, and let me know what other videos you would like to see and how you would rate this particular look. And as it is, like जैसे जैसे time गुजर रहा है, this blush is just growing on me. It's looking really pretty. It's not moving, it's not becoming greasy. So that is my final thought, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you have any other questions, do leave it in the comment box. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, and keep smiling.